Hey you guys, welcome back to Alicia at Home. This is your girl Alicia. Today you guys, I am coming with a speed clean, refreshing of my dining room area. I said, you know what, since I've been doing so many hauls, my area has become cluttered with hangers and just extra things that are not supposed to be in this area. And so I'm going to go ahead and get it refreshed so that we can start back using this area for our Sunday dinners when we decide to cook at home. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post. Thanks so much, you guys. Let's get into it. so there we have it, you guys. I have refreshed my area. I picked some items around the house just so I didn't have to spend any money this time around. But I am definitely looking into redecorating my spaces and getting rid of some of the chromes and the golds and neutral colors. I'm even thinking about painting some areas and doing some feature walls. Let me know if you have any ideas down in the comment below. If you have any color choices you think might work, and anything that's just trending that you think this space would look good with. I'm definitely interested in that. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe and stay blessed. Peace. All right, you guys, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in for this dining room refresh. I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, I went ahead and decided to stick with some of the decor for now, just until I find out exactly how I want the space to look. All I did was I repurposed some items in my home and I just moved them around. It's some of the items that are really dear to my heart. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I absolutely love the classic blues type of vases and decor, and so we went ahead and just stuck with some of the things that we already have, not to break the bank or anything like that, and then just to make sure that I know exactly how I want to transform this space. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay safe and stay blessed.